Alright, good morning. Here's a little quick demonstration on how I made my Bitmoji custom signature. So first thing that you need to do is open up a brand new Google Slide document that's blank. So this will be the canvas that you use to make whatever you want to put in your signature page. So first, what I would do is click on my Chrome extension for Bitmoji and then pick an image that I wanted to use. You could first pick an image. I don't know, let's do this. And then drag it to your page. And then you can edit it however you want. You can put a different background or whatever. So I'm just going to stick with the plain Bitmoji of myself. I'm going to go ahead and put a border around him just so I know the dimensions. And then I added a text box that's roughly the same size of the Bitmoji or the same dimensions. And then I actually put a border on that as well. I can take the border away. I'm just doing this so that everything lines up pretty well. I then just added whatever I wanted inside my box. And so I fill this out. Of course, I can make the color is different, the font's different, all of that. So once you make this, your design, that's the hardest part. So the way you get it over is I took a screenshot or a little snagit of this to convert it into an image. And once it does that, I'm using my MacBook, so it might be a little different, but you can do the same thing on the school computer by using the snippet tool or the snagit tool. So once I do that, I then go to my email, and then I go up to settings, and then see all settings, go down to where it says signature, and I already have mine, but so I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to put demo, and then what I'll go to is this image button, and I'll insert the image wherever it was saved. And it's going to take a second to load, and it's going to end up being really big, and you won't be able to see it. So all you need to do is click on the picture and press medium or large. I suggest large, that's a pretty good size. And then go down to where it says signature details and select demo, or select the signature you want to be in your emails, and then go down and press save changes. And then in order to see how it looks, just press compose, and then you'll see your signature sitting there. So that's basically how you do it. Of course, you can add more details, and if you wanted to type more text underneath your image, you would just type it underneath your image inside of that box in the under the settings. So yeah, that's how I made my Bitmoji signature.